going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a 3-unit replacement on this commercial building. We're going to be replacing this unit right here. Had a bad outdoor fan and compressor. Got Mike and Tim out here. We're going to replace this. Goodman has no Freon in it. Had a big Freon leak. And then we're also going to be doing this other carrier over here. And I think this one also had a leak. These replacements were put off for a little while, probably a few years, and this company ended up, no Freon, ended up probably budgeting accordingly now and wants to replace these 3. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And if you remember, on commercial spaces that are sitting on curbs, typically the tenants are not allowed to do, changes like going from a curb to a elbow. They're just typically not allowed to do that because it's not their building, but they are allowed to replace the systems. So we're going to be just doing curb adapters, and let's get to it. Ain't no way this guy's putting his gloves on.
Bro,
that's crazy. That's crazy. Being safe about it?
Okay, it's in the lip of it.
Oh, okay. All right, come on, Mike. We want to see what you got. Gym progress? Come on. I think you got it. There you go. You got it. There you go. Oh. There you go. Nice. I have faith in you. You just needed that motivation. Okay, so we got that one off now. And we have it laying on redwood, so it's not laying directly on the roof. And now we're starting on the next one. Okay, so there's the second one sitting on redwoods. We got the curb right there, and we got the third one flipped over on redwoods, and there's the curb. So now we're going to go ahead and put the curb adapters on and have this thing ready to go for when the crane gets here. Okay, so we got Mike over here. He's still sealing up the curb adapter and whatnot. So crane's already here, and for some reason the sheet metal company didn't cut that one open, didn't cut the openings for that, so Tim had to do it. And while we got it suspended up in there, here we're gonna have Mike take off those bottom covers and put them on the face, since this is a down shot. You good over there, Tim?
Yep.
Sealed it up. All right, cool. Well, you're next. All right. First one at least is in place. So there's the old one. We got the new one in place. Nice, nice. We'll go ahead and seal up in there. Well, you saw as we sealed inside earlier at the old joint, but now we got to seal at the new joint between the new curb adapter and the new unit. So we'll go ahead and go to the next one. right, there's the second one leaving. And there's the second one in place. So now we got the third one. Last one. And we got this one already sealed up. We already got the covers right there on. And they're gonna work on the disconnect and the low voltage. Actually, Mike already did it. He's working on the second one. Tim's working on the high voltage. And I'm giving him a hand in sealing these things up. So go ahead, I sealed this up already. Time to put the covers on. All right, we got this one sealed up. Time to put the lids on. Mike is also almost done wiring it up. I guess he's done as I was speaking. And we'll go ahead and fire these up after we do the drain lines. Actually, we can turn them on while they do the drain lines. And very important, these are 3-phase because this is a commercial building. So we're gonna make sure that when it kicks on that the rotation is correct. And one of the easiest ways to do that is first you turn them on the fan only feature. And if your fan is also 3-phase, you can check with that. If it's turning the right way, then there's a 99% chance that your compressor is going to turn the correct way as well. If your blower isn't 3-phase, then you just have to have your gauges on and make sure that the pressures are all good as soon as it kicks on. So, all right, well, let's keep going. All righty, y'all, we are finished with this installation. Very, very unfortunate thing happened. You know, have the one here, the second unit there, and the third unit over there. Well, this second unit, and I'm gonna post a short on it, ended up being flat out of refrigerant. How sad is that? Well, it happens. It's frustrating as heck, but it happens. Just like we're not perfect, neither are the manufacturers of these things. So I'm gonna leave it off. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. It's already late. And we're gonna see where the leak is on that thing. And go from there, see what the Trane rep wants to do. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will keep y'all in the loop of what happened or what happens with that unit. Alrighty, y'all. See you next time.